Are you having issues deleting your TikTok search history? Don't worry. Here's the solution. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you're in TikTok, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the three-line menu at the top right corner of your profile. A menu will appear. Tap on Settings and Privacy. On the next screen, scroll down and tap on Activity Center under the Content and Activity section. Here, you'll see different options. Tap on Search History. You'll now see a list of your past searches. Tap on Select at the top right. Then choose the search terms you want to delete. You can also tap Select All Search History at the bottom to select everything. Once selected, tap the Delete button at the bottom of the screen. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap Delete to confirm. And that's it. Your TikTok search history has been successfully removed. That's how you can easily clear your TikTok search history and keep your account clean. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more editing tips.